When dealing with shapes, it is important that you know how to identify the shapes by mere observations instead of reading from the description. The key to dealing with these is practice and more practice. Now take a look at this diagram. If you take a closer look, you will notice that there are a total of 3 triangles arranged into one. There is triangle A, B, D. This triangle has 2 sides given, which is from B to D, as well as from A to D. B to D is 18 centimeter. A to D is 8 centimeter. Then there's triangle ADC. This triangle also has 2 given sides. DC, which is 4 centimeter, and AD, which is 8 centimeter. The 2 triangles shares a common side AD, 8 centimeter. These are not the only triangles. There is a bigger triangle formed from the coalition of these 2 triangles, and that is triangle ABC. ABC is a triangle because it has 3 sides as well as 3 angles. A to B is one side, B to C is another side, AC is the third side. AB, the side AB, the magnitude of the side AB is given by a small letter C. The magnitude of side BC is the sum of 18 and 4, and the magnitude of side AC is the small letter b. So there are 3 sides altogether, in which 2 sides are given. Now the formula for calculating this requirement is that of a triangle with 2 given sides. And that should be A half times A times B, where A and B are base and height respectively. So side AD is the same length as, like I said, the 2 triangles shares a common length AD. So side AD is 8 centimeter. So for the parameters, we are going to say ED equals to 8 centimeter. This is the same thing as H, but in our case we use it as B. And then side BC, there are 2 numbers given here. The distance has been divided into 2, from B to D and D to C. So BD will be equal to 18 plus 4. BC 18 plus 4, which gives 22. Yes, as I mentioned, as I indicated, line BC has been split into 2. One half is 18 and the other half is 4. So what you need to do is to sum up the 2 numbers to get the length BC. As simple as that. 18 plus 4 gives 22. Now substitute the values into the formula. A is half times A times B. So A will be equal to half times 22 times 8, which translates to 88 centimeters square. ABCD is a trapezium in which the line AB is parallel to the line DC. Line AB is of course 12 centimeter and line DC is 5 centimeter. But BC is the height of the trapezium and is the same thing as 4 centimeter. There's an angle of 46 degrees. So in a trapezium, the parameter that needs to be defined are the two parallel sides, which are DC and BC, DC and AB. Then the height, which is BC, and the angle, which is 46 degrees. So the formula in this case is the formula for calculating the area of a trapezium. Half the sum of the parallel side. The parallel sides are AB plus DC times the height. The height is BC. Then sine of the included angle. It is going to be half 12 plus 5 times the height, which is 4, times sine 46. 12 plus 5 is 17. According to Bodmer, solve the bracket first. So you're going to have 12 times 17 times 4 times the sine of 46 is 0.7193. Finally, we end up with 24.46 centimeters square to 2 decimal places. No.